my name is Claire, and I'll show you how to fix a SRM T3.
230?
T3.
What's wrong with it? What's broken on it?
This.
The throttle's broke, huh?
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
That means we have to fix it. We gotta need this new part. This was a T25 bits.
That's right.
We're gonna take off these 4 bolts. Okay, let's see that. So that's all right in there. Before we start. That jumped out.
Oop, don't pull too hard. Okay.
Okay.
And then what do you need to do now? We can see that this is broken, huh?
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's read. Oh, it works.
Okay, leave that there. You could leave that one. Yeah, you could leave that in there. It'll hold it for us. Do that one.
I just have it.
There you go.
Oh, I just cracked it off.
So now what do we do?
I'll just put this over here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's took it off.
Yeah. And then take that one off. We'll pull this out first.
Okay.
Because there's a spring right here that we need. We need to reuse that spring.
Something smells bad.
And what we
Let's
need
just
to,
open this.
we need to take this little guy out.
This is like that guy out.
And then what do we need to do?
We can restart the spring.
Okay, it looks like you got it in there.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it in. I think this is installed.
Is that installed? Okay, let's
Yes, that is.
make sure all the wires are pushed into that channel.
Yep. Wow, that is definitely in.
Definitely in?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Alright, let's put it back together. What are we going to do now?
We're just gotta fix this up.
Fix it up, right?
Yeah.
Make sure it all clicks together. Hold on. Okay. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's finish it up. I'll hold this together while you zip those in, okay? Good.
Ow.
Next one. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. This one.
Okay.
Last one.
Last one. Whoa, yeah. Alright, so what do we do now? Do we test it out?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to try it out. Do you want to start it up yourself?
What?
Start it up. And then, do we need to choke it? Here, hold it. Come on.
Help me.
I can help you. Remember you? Come on, pull it. One more time. So, is it fixed?
It's fixed. It runs.
It runs. That's how we fixed the trigger on a SRM 230, huh?
Yeah.
How hard was it?
Pretty easy.
That's right. For those of you looking for the part number, it's Echo part number C4530000482, and that's the throttle lever. Alright, I'm Gravelback Mechanic, and this is Pebbles, and that's how you fix the trimmer throttle on a SRM 230. Thanks for watching. What? Was that easy?